Hey everyone, welcome to the Techie. I'm a software engineer with a passion of exploring the ever-evolving technologies. I've had the privilege of working on the fascinating projects and experimenting with cutting-edge tools and diving deep into the world of coding. Now I want to take this opportunity to bring you along on this incredible journey of knowledge. In this dynamic and ever-changing world of technology, I have come to realize that there's never a wrong time to update yourself. Whether you are a curious beginner or a seasoned techie, on this channel we will venture into the world of programming and software development together. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced techniques, we will explore various programming languages and frameworks, all with the goal of expanding our skills together. But it doesn't stop there. The Tech Eye is not just about code. We will also dive into other tech-related topics and the impact of technology on our daily lives. So, if you are passionate about software engineering, eager to learn, and excited to join the community of like minded individuals, you are in the right place. Together, let's embark on this incredible journey of sharing knowledge, learning, and growing. Welcome to the Tech Eye again, where we see tech in everything.